could be one of our biggest storms ever here in western Massachusetts as well. So, blizzard warning has been issued by the National Weather Service for all 4 counties here in western Massachusetts. What does that mean? Well, if we were to verify, in fact have blizzard conditions, we would need snow or blowing snow, reducing visibility to a quarter mile, and sustained winds of 35 miles per hour or greater for 3 hours or longer. This part here, the 35-mile-an-hour sustained winds or greater here in the valley, is the toughest one to get. We do not see blizzard conditions that often here in western Massachusetts. But even if we come close, this means it's going to be a bit of a treacherous day weather-wise here tomorrow. And we do expect it to be snowing before sunrise here tomorrow. 5 o'clock, 18 degrees, light snow falling. 7 o'clock, snow, and that snow becoming heavy by 9 o'clock. We'll let you know when the heaviest snow happens, when the windiest wind happens, and when the snow will wind down with our 22 News Storm Team Skycast.